Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Qura Education System. It's class 2 and today we will chapter number 5, which is Nasir in Trouble. Chapter number 5 is Nasir in Trouble. Nasir was going to stay with his Uncle Sami, who was a cheerful and a friendly man. Uncle Sami often told exciting stories and Nasir enjoyed spending time with him. One day Nasir went to visit the Shalimar garden. On the way, he met a little boy who had hurt his leg and was crying. Nasir kindly stopped to help him. The little boy's dog had run away. Nasir decided to find the dog. When he found it, the dog was eating chunks of meat from the stall. People thought the dog belongs to Nasir and started chasing him. Nasir became frightened and ran, which led to a lot of confusion and trouble. In the end, the misunderstanding was cleared up and everything was resolved happily. Now students, we will do words meaning of the chapter Nasir in Trouble. First is exciting, thrilling, explain, made the meaning clear or made clear, platform, a floor on which people stand at station. Number 4, stall, a small shop, chunks, solid piece of something, thief, robber. Number 7 is frightened, afraid or scared. Now we will answer this question of the chapter. What kind of man was Uncle Sami? Uncle Sami was a jolly man who told exciting stories and was likable. Question number 2 is, where was Nasir going when he met the little boy crying? Answer is, Nasir was going to the Shalimar Bagh. Question number 3 is, why was the little boy crying? The answer is, the little boy was crying because he had hurt his leg. Question number 4 is, what did the dog do when the boy fell over? The answer is, the dog ran down the road and started eating chunks of meat. Question number 5 is, why do you think did the crowd chase Nasir? The answer is, the crowd chased Nasir because they thought his dog had stolen the meat. Thanks for watching.